In this video, I will show you how to connect Wix website to Google Search Console. So let's jump straight into it. So to connect your Wix website to the Google Search Console, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google Search Console and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, what you need to do is add a new property by clicking on the Add Property button and then entering your website URL in the URL prefix box. Now make sure it does match the exact URL of your Wix website, including the HTTPS at the start of your URL. After doing this, what you need to do is choose the HTML tag verification method and copy the provided meta tag code from the Google Search Console. Once you've copied the meta tag code, what you need to do is log into your Wix account and select the website that you want to connect. After doing this, go to Settings, then click onto SEO and then SEO Tools. And then what you want to do is add the meta tag in Wix by clicking on Connect to Google, or alternatively go to Custom Meta Tags. At this point, what you want to do is paste the HTML meta tag that you copied from the Google Search Console into the header code section. Once that's done, just simply save your changes and publish your site in Wix. And then what you want to do is go back to the Google Search Console and click the Verify button. Your Wix website should now be connected to Google Search Console, allowing you to monitor your site's performance and of course optimize its SEO. So that is how to connect Wix website to Google Search Console. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.